Let's be honest, most make money advice online is tired, outdated, or just plain fake. But in 2025, AI has opened up new, unfair money hacks that barely anyone is using yet. In this video, I'm giving you 3 powerful AI strategies you can use right now to make $50 to $300 per day, even if you have no skills, no job, and no clue where to start. Watch this till the end, because number 3 is what I personally used to get out of being broke. Hack number 1. Sell skills you don't actually have, and let AI deliver the service. Think this is a scam? It's not. This is literally what digital agencies have done for years. But now you can do it solo using AI. Example services: email copywriting, resume rewriting, website copy, ebook ghostwriting, YouTube scriptwriting. Step by step. 1. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or create a solo gig page using Card or System.io. 2. Use ChatGPT to complete orders, e.g., write a high-converting email for a pet grooming business. 3. Proofread, polish, and deliver. 4. Charge $25 to $75 per order. You are the middleman and AI is your back-end team. Bonus tip: offer a 24-hour delivery option and charge plus $20. ChatGPT allows instant turnarounds. Hack number 2, create and sell AI-generated content packs for creators and small business owners. Everyone wants to be on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, but nobody has time to post daily. Here's what you do. 1. Use ChatGPT to create 30 quotes, 30 tweet threads, 30 video ideas. 2. Use Canva to design carousels or reels based on that content. 3. Sell these as a monthly content pack. How to sell it? On Etsy, search Instagram content pack. On Gumroad, in creator Facebook groups, or to local businesses via cold DMs or Fiverr. Charge $15 to $50 depending on how visual the pack is. Do 5 packs a week, that's $250 to $1,000 per month. But what if you don't want to deal with clients at all? What if you just want to set something up and make money while you sleep? That's where hack number 3 comes in. Hack number 3, build a faceless AI-powered info brand that brings in passive income. Here's how it works. Step 1, pick a niche. AI tools, remote jobs, productivity, side hustles, mental health. Step 2, use ChatGPT to write a digital product like 50 AI tools for entrepreneurs, a YouTube script, a Twitter thread, IG captions, TikTok hooks. Step 3, use tools like 11 Labs for voiceover, CapCut or Pictory for editing, Canva for thumbnails and IG designs, Gumroad or PayHip to sell your product. You now have a faceless content brand, a digital product, a traffic system, shorts plus threads, passive income flow, monetization ideas, YouTube ads, digital product sales, affiliate links, brand sponsorships once you grow. We are living in the easiest time in human history to make money online. But most people will waste the opportunity watching Netflix or scrolling TikTok. You've just learned 3 unfair AI hacks and they actually work. But now it's on you. Pick one. Start it tonight. Drop a comment with the word START if you're done making excuses. Like the video, subscribe for more AI hustles, and grab my free ChatGPT money prompts in the description below. See you at the top.